Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the trimmer guard on your string trimmer, use a 3/8-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the mounting bolt, securing the old guard to the drive shaft. Install the new trimmer guard by hooking it on the mounting bracket, then align it on the shaft and thread the provided wing screw or the mounting bolt to secure. Remove any protective tape from the cutting blade, and your string trimmer should be ready for use.